How's it going, guys? I wanted to go ahead and just talk about the fact that you may not need an actual image viewer on your system, and really the whole point of this video is to see just how many of you out there actually use a dedicated image viewer program. Because what I've been doing for the past while is, oh, no, not in my videos. Let me see, pictures. If we go in here and just open up picture. I just open up everything in GIMP and use GIMP as my image viewer slash image editor. I just recently thought about maybe there's a lot of you others out there that do this. I don't think this is one of those things where it's gonna benefit you at all just by cutting out an image viewer on your system. But if you're like me and you configure a system from something like Vanilla Arch, Gen 2, where you build your system up, it's just one less program to have to worry about. And also for me, I think the reason why it makes much more sense to just have GIMP be your image viewer is, or Krita, like whatever you like to use to edit your photos. It just makes more sense just because, I mean, if I'm opening up a video, there's probably a good chance that I might want to edit it too. So why not just have GIMP? And one of the reasons that I'm even thinking about this and posting this video is I got the idea that I needed to go get an image viewer, and then it occurred to me I've been living without one for quite a while now, and I haven't noticed any problems. So why do I need to go get one? So how many of you out there just if you're not using something like a desktop environment where it comes with one, are you just using GIMP? Are you using something else? Like, what are you using if not an image viewer when you want to look at or edit your images? How many of you are doing this? Because I feel like this is just the lazy man's image viewer. Like, maybe I'm all wrong there, but yeah, I thought I'd just make this a real short video to say you probably don't need an image viewer. I don't have one, and I haven't been using one for a while. So let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me if you like this real short video, and for some reason you're real big on not using, an image viewer. Hit the like button. Let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And that's not the right workspace. That's the right workspace. So thank you guys for watching. It's been great. I always like making these types of short videos, but I did also want to say tomorrow there's a good chance that I'll be doing a full Gentoo install on my channel. Sorry about that notification. So if you want to see, me installing Gentoo from scratch, configuring programs, theming, all of that stuff, I'll be starting that tomorrow, hopefully, when I get back from work in the afternoon. So about 3 to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, if you're interested in Gentoo and that kind of stuff, come on over. And say a big thank you to all these fantastic patrons. These are people who support me over on Patreon. That link will be down in the description. Go check it out. Thank you, Jonathan, Zach, TGB, Papa Smurf, and Matt from the Linux Cast. Y'all's support is very much appreciated. And thanks everybody on YouTube for just doing that liking and commenting thing. It is much appreciated, and it, helps me stay active and get out there. So thank you. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow for some Gentoo. Bye-bye.